Hello guys, today we are going to see the leetcode question, shortest distance to the target string in a circular array. A zero index circular string array words and a string target. A circular array means array end connect to the beginning. So if the index is at last, then the first index we would reach by using this formula. This moduloing is done because if the size of the index or the index iterator that we have taken it exceeds than n or becomes equal to n, then zero index will be obtained again. So for the previous element, similarly I minus 1 plus n modulo n is given. Starting from starting index that is given in the question, you can move either next word or previous word with one step at a time. Return the shortest distance we need to reach the string target. If string target not present, then we have to return minus 1. So here in this example, word string is given vector of strings and target is given as hello and starting index is 1. So as the starting index is 1, so we have to return 1 as the answer. First we have to write the condition. If the words of starting index is 1, then we have to return 0. We do not need to move anywhere as the starting point is the target we have obtained. And if the first we would be suppose this is the array and here is the starting index. First we would be moving from right to the starting index, then we would be moving from left to the starting index. So for this we would be using the current index. We have to find that current index. The current index for the first case, when we move from right to the left again reaching the starting index, will be, if the starting index is n minus 1, we have to make the starting index as 0 as the starting position. If the starting index is n minus 1, we have to make the current index as 0 and we have to iterate till the starting index. And if the starting index in the second case, when we move from left to right, in that condition, if it is 0, the starting index, we have to make the current index as n minus 1. So let us see the code of the question. Here is the code of the question. First, if word starting index is equal to target, we have to return 0. If initially count is 1, taken as 1, n is the word size, mini1 is taken as int max, and the st is taken as the starting index, and the answer in which is taken as the int max. If and the current index is to find the current index, if the starting index plus 1 is n, that means it is present at the last, then we have to make the current index as 1, otherwise starting index plus 1 till the current index become equal to starting index. First we have to check if the current index equal to target. If, then we have taken a boolean variable which is false initially, we have to make it true and break at the same time, otherwise we have to move again and again from right to left and increase the count. If we have found the answer, then the minimum one would store the minimum count and the count again equal to 1, and found is made false for the second case in which we will move from left to right. In that condition, the current index, if the starting index minus 1 is less than 0, that means it is the first index, then we have to make the current index as n minus 1, otherwise we have to make the start minus 1, and we have to move till current index become equal to starting index, and the same condition is checked. And for the moving from left to right or the anti-clockwise or clockwise, then this formula is used. If answer is found, then the previous answer is compared with the current count that we have made, and finally if answer is not equal to int max that we have taken initially, we have to return the answer, otherwise we have to return minus 1. Thank you.